I'm Robin Ewing. I'm co-director of the Create Centre. Creativity in research, engaging the arts, transforming education.
My name's Michael Anderson. I'm co-director of the Create Centre with Robin Ewing, and what we've been doing throughout this year is really showcasing partnerships between artists, educators, people in the healthcare sector and people in the wellbeing sector. And we've done that through a series of webinars, online conferences, to really showcase what's out there.
We aim to demonstrate how creativity and the arts are an imperative for the way that we live our lives, for the way that we involve ourselves in emotional, social, cultural well-being, and for the way that we educate our children and young people, and the way that we look at lifelong learning.
What we want to do in the next year to 5 years is to really start to research these areas and give really strong evidence backing to what we know to be so effective when the arts works with education and health.
One of the things that is really important in developing the Create Centre is to work with arts organisations, with health and community organisations, with schools and universities to ensure that we develop authentic partnerships. For too long we've worked in isolated silos. It's about time that we brought the arts and creativity and all of these organisations together to make sure that we can advocate really strongly for the arts and creativity imperative.
So we're looking to use those partnerships to develop really strong research and also professional learning for artists, for educators, for healthcare workers and those in the wellbeing sector, to bring all of that together so that we can really get to the potential which is arts with health, education and wellbeing, to actually create a better society for all of our people.
For too long, creativity in the arts, processes and practices have been underfunded, despite the unequivocal research that they are at the centre of who we are as human beings and essential for our social, emotional and cultural well-being.
Create is for educators, it's for artists, it's for people in the healthcare sector, doctors, nurses, allied healthcare professionals, it's for students, it's for everybody who is engaged in education or health or well-being. And it's for those people who are also interested in the power of the arts and creativity to make a difference in those sectors.
We need the resources to help create a socially just society. So we're appealing to all of you to help us find the resources to make this happen.
So if you're an educator, if you're a healthcare worker, if you're in the wellbeing sector, if you're an artist, if you're a student, Create is for you to understand the possibilities of creativity in the arts in making people's lives better.